You guys having a good time? I'm gonna keep asking you. And one of these times you're gonna say no.
Yeah.
And they're gonna be like, why? What can I do to change that? I'm Mr. Nice Guy.